In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint, how to delete and restore files. Let's start right at your SharePoint homepage in a web browser. After signing in, navigate to the specific site where your documents live. This might be a team site or a project site, anywhere your files are stored. Once you're on that site's homepage, look for the Documents link in the left-hand navigation. Click that to open the document library. This is your central place for files and folders on the site. Inside the library, find the file or folder you want to remove. Hover over it and select the checkbox that appears to the left of the name. You can select multiple items if you need to, and you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Keep in mind you'll need the right permissions to delete items, and if a file is checked out to someone else, you may need them to check it back in first. With your item selected, click Delete from the toolbar at the top or from the menu that appears. SharePoint will ask you to confirm. This extra step helps prevent accidents, so take a moment to verify you've selected the correct items. When you confirm, the files aren't erased immediately, they're moved to the site's recycle bin. That means you can still get them back if you change your mind. If you do need to restore something, go to the recycle bin for the site. You can usually find it in the left navigation of the site or within site contents. In the recycle bin, you'll see a list of deleted files and folders, along with details like when they were deleted. Use the search or sort by name or date to locate what you need. Select the checkbox next to the file or folder you want to recover. If you're restoring a folder, everything inside it will come back too. When you're ready, click Restore. SharePoint returns the item to its original location, and in most cases it preserves version history as well. If the original folder was renamed or removed, or if your permissions changed, you might see an error. In that case, contact your site owner for help. Also note that deleted items are only kept for a limited time, often around 90 days, so it's best to restore as soon as you notice something is missing. That's it, you've learned how to safely delete files and how to bring them back when needed. Use Delete with confidence, knowing the recycle bin is your safety net.